Hello and welcome to the Stock Planner channel. The Stock Planner channel is a education channel. We're swing traders looking for stocks that are swinging tops and bottoms and then taking the trend in between. This is FinViz and it looks like we're about midday and the Dow is flopping around. NASDAQ initially went down. Now it's starting to come back just a little bit. And the S&P 500 is coming back a little bit after its low of about 11 a.m. I'm overall short, and I was really happy until about 11 a.m. It looks like the market is turning back around. But I do think that there's going to be continued downsides, especially in the technology sectors. Let's take a look at that. FinViz is a free tool. A lot of people use it to get started. Energy seems to have a good day today. Technology, not so good. The last week, technology for the month. A lot of people like FinViz for the heat map. Here's your technology sector. And typically, Microsoft, Apple, and NVIDIA, most people are long-term long on those stocks because technology is the roadmap to the future. Google, Amazon, all those are long-term prospects, but are having some short-term, and that's because of our economy. Despite the market going up midday, I'm going to look at shorting the technology sector using an ETF. Nice thing about this map is you can switch to the ETFs and you can go to the sectors, and XLK is what we're going to talk about, and it's down on its one-day performance. That noise was an alert saying that I just bought or sold a stock. I make my money trading and selling antiques, not on my YouTube channel. Although you could like and subscribe, never hurts. Let's take a little further into the XLK and take a look at the chart. TradingView is a free software package, a good starter package, and it's very cheap if you want to go expand the number of alerts and stuff you get. Looking at the daily time frame, each bar is a day's worth of data, and you can see since June, it's been going up till about 15 August. Big long candle here, that was on Friday. That was after the Powell speech, and it's still going down. Using a drawing tool, the Fibonacci, drawing them from the top to bottom. And by the way, this line here is the zigzag indicator. It's a perfect indicator, the tops and bottoms perfectly, but it does so by looking at the future data and then repaints itself to be perfect. Okay, so you really can't trade with it, but you can use it to look for other indicators that would maybe predict this top in this bottom. And the indicators I use are MACD, the RSI, stochastic RSI. XLK is currently trading at 138, and 50% retracement is right at 137. Some people use the Fibonacci as a roadmap for where the stock is going, up or down. Do you think the stock is going up? Then you would say, hey, look, I believe it's going to reach 140 in the next 3 months or 2 months or 10 days, whatever your prediction is. What I say is I believe it's going to either hit 140 in the next 90 days or 133.75, 134 in the next 90 days. And I'll make a bet based on that. If it gets down to 133 or 134, that's about a 3% move. And if you're shooting for a 6% move, it needs to come down to about 130. So I think it'll shoot for a 3 or 4% move in the next 90 days. And be a little conservative on this. This is election year. Election's coming up in 3 months, and the current administration will do everything it can further. So move expectation of 4% in the next 90 days. Going short will be 132, and 3% will be right about here, which is the next fib level. If it does move 4% in the next 90 days, and you invested $1,000, you'd end up with $40, which is a 4% return. And that's a quarter. So if you did 4 of those, you'd have 16% APR or around. That's not bad, but these are highly volatile days. You have to be nimble. What do you think of this trade? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Do your own due diligence. Like what you're doing. Practice your strategy. Even if you have to paper trade, we'll catch you on the flip. Have a good day.